Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply gradient colors to your design, and we're going to use two different softwares. I'm going to use CorelDRAW software and my software Luminosa, which you can buy. The information, the link will be below. You can get it at a reasonable price. Let's start with CorelDRAW. Even though this gradient tool comes with many softwares like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, uh, CorelDRAW, even like softwares like Canva, Kittler, and other new softwares that are promoting to for designing your logos. And anyway, so let's start. We're gonna import a design or PNG that I have here, and I'm going to, of course, make this. Actually, we're gonna keep it this size, and we're going to add a background so we're able to see the color or the change of the colors. We're gonna make it black, of course, send it to the back, and there's the design. We're gonna make it one color, so we're gonna try to make it, but we gotta transform it. Anyway, let's keep it here, the original color. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the fill tool that you can find here on the left and go to fountain fill. Okay, here you can change from white to whatever color. Let's say you want to add red and yellow, so apply. But I'm noticing that you gotta transform this into a clipboard first, and I think that's what we're gonna do. And it's making a clip art right now. It's taking a little bit because the file is kind of big, and hopefully we can change the color now. All right, so let's make this big and say okay. All right, let's get rid of the first one, the original one. Now hopefully we can change the color here. Yep, we're now able to change it. Okay, so now let's go to fountain fill, cancel. You gotta select the color in order for it to detect this, so that way it knows which shape you want to add the color. So here you get a list of colors and you select which colors you want to combine. Down here you can select the midpoint, so you can lean it more to the right or to the left. Whatever color is on the bottom is the one that's gonna be on the right, and the one on top is gonna be on the left, as you can see here. So we're gonna do 50 and 50. Up here, the angle you can rotate, or the angle at 20 degrees, 45, 50 degrees, 90 degrees will be vertical. See that? Vertical. So let's, horizontal. So let's apply it. Let's do OK. And it apply the gradient color to it. However, I noticed that I gotta weld this in order to the design to combine it all evenly, because since it made this a clip art or a vector file, everything is separated. So I think that's why it looks this way. So hopefully this option can change that. All right, I gotta be honest, the shape completely froze, so I had to reset the program again. So I did another copy, so we're gonna try again. We're going to select the shape, then go to the fountain fill tool, and then select the color. We said that we're gonna do 90 degrees, so 90 degrees, and then okay. All right, finally we got the color evenly. It doesn't look weird as it did in the beginning. So yeah, this is how you add gradient colors to using CorelDRAW. Now we're gonna go to my software, and it's called Luminosa. So we're gonna upload the same image. We're gonna upload the PNG, and then we're gonna turn the frame black so we're able to see it. So this is the original image. You can change one color here with the fill-in tool. You just select the image and fill the color, but it is only one color, but it is whatever color you want to select, and you can use the color picker here to select which color you want to do. So anyway, now how do you add more colors here? Well, you can go to the gradient section here, just click on it and you will see this list. It has a set colors or custom colors. So we're gonna do set colors first. So we're gonna select the image or the PNG and then apply colors, and it's going to add a already selected colors. And here you see these buttons here. You can turn the angle of the gradient colors. So select the shape and click. It will go around in a circle all the way until you get the position that you want of your gradient colors to display on your image, whatever angle you want to get. That's how you rotate the colors. Now let's say that you want to apply your own colors. You don't like these colors, okay? Let's go to custom, and you will see a list here. You can add 4 different colors, and you can add them by adding the code. If you know the code of the color that you want, a specific color, you can add the code here. But if you just, let's say you want red, yellow, and yellow, you can just type the name of the color and select the shape and apply, and it's going to do that. And you can, again, you can change the angle of your gradients. You can change the angle, and see, now let me show you. See the difference? It looks very similar as it does in CorelDRAW. You can change the directions of the colors, but yeah, this is how simple it is to also do it using Luminosa. And I have more tutorials on the purpose of this software, which is to outsource your transfers for like DTF, screen printing transfers. You don't want to spend crazy money on a software, and you just want to get started and just, you know, adventure yourself on a t-shirt business, and just do designs, edit them, and remove backgrounds. You can do all of that here, and very, very reasonable price. The link will be on the first comment. So yeah, this is how you can add gradient effects or colors on your designs using Luminosa. And yeah, thank you guys. I will see you in the next tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe.